Hey everyone, welcome back to SSWorks, your one-stop solution for smart learning, smart earning and smart living. My name is Sebas Sultani. Today's episode is not loud, it's not flashy, but it's life-changing. Let me ask you something very honestly. Why do some people walk into a room and everyone listens, while others work harder, know more, but still get ignored? The difference is not luck. The difference is identity. Money without identity feels empty. Skills without confidence stay hidden. Hard work without presence goes unnoticed. If you want to win in 2026, you must build who you are, not just what you do. The big truth. The world treats you how you see yourself. Let me tell you a painful truth. The world not treat you based on your dreams, your struggles, your intentions. The world treats you based on your self-image. If you see yourself as weak, people dominate you. Confused, people ignore you. Desperate, people use you. Confidence is not arrogance. Confidence is clarity about your worth. You don't get confidence from success. You get success from confidence. Rule number 1. Build your identity first. Identity means who you believe you are, what you tolerate, what you stand for. Most people have no identity. They change based on people, situation, mood. Strong identity means clear values, clear boundaries, clear direction. Ask yourself, what do I stand for? What will I never tolerate? What kind of person am I becoming? If you don't define yourself, the world will define you wrongly. Rule number 2. Confidence is built, not born. Let's break a myth. People say he is confident by birth. Wrong. Confidence is built by keeping promises to yourself, doing hard things, facing discomfort. Every time you avoid a challenge, lie to yourself, quit early, your confidence dies a little. Every time you show up, speak honestly, try despite fear, your confidence grows. Confidence is self-trust and self-trust is built daily. Rule number 3. Communication, social power. Let me say this clearly. If you cannot express, you cannot influence. You may be intelligent, you may be skilled, but if you can't communicate, you will stay invisible. Communication is not English, it's clarity and courage. Learn to speak slowly, speak clearly, look people in the eye. You don't need fancy words, you need honest words. People follow clarity, not complexity. Rule number 4. Body language and presence. Your body speaks before your mouth. How you walk, how you sit, how you listen. Weak body language says, I am not sure. Strong body language says, I am calm and confident. Simple rules: stand straight, slow movement, calm breathing, less fidgeting. Presence is silence confidence. When your body is controlled, your mind follows. Rule number 5. Social circle decides self-image. Let me be honest, if you stay around people who complain, gossip, mock ambition, your confidence will die slowly. Your environment shapes your identity. You don't need many people. You need right people. Be around learners, builders, disciplined minds. If you can't find such people, be alone and grow. Loneliness with growth is better than company with stagnation. Rule number 6. Stop seeking validation. This is important. Most people live for likes, approval, praise. That is weakness. The moment you need validation, you lose power. Strong people respect themselves, validate themselves, improve quickly, do good work. Let result speak. Silence with confidence is louder than noise with insecurity. Rule number 7. Authenticity creates respect. Don't fake confidence. Don't copy personalities. Be real, be honest, be consistent. People can sense fake energy. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be real. Respect is and when your words match actions, your character is stable, your behavior is predictable. Authenticity builds long-term influence. Daily practices to build identity and confidence. Do these daily. Keep small promises to yourself. Keep up once every day. Face one discomfort daily. Improve one skill. Reflect at night. Confidence is a habit, not a mood. It was episode 5. In episode 6, we go even deeper. How to win in 2026. Purpose, legacy and long-term life vision. We will talk about why you exist, how to build a meaningful life, legacy beyond money, becoming uncomfortable because success without purpose feels empty. If you watch this entire episode, you are not average. Remember this, you don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your identity. 2026 will not reward pretenders, it will reward grounded, confident, self-aware individuals. Decide today who you are, who you will become, what you will no longer never tolerate. Like this video, comment I am building my identity. Subscribe to SS Words. This is Shehbaz Sultani. Build yourself so strong that life has no option but to respect you. And I'll see you in the next episode.